Okay, for those that were not able to claim this last card as of yesterday when I make this video, even me, I was not even able to claim the last card, and I told you that I'll find out and check the trick on how to claim the last card, and the last card was under this place, was under this PRT. So, and this was the last card. This one here was the last card. So if you check what they wrote at that time, it was locked and it was set upgrade to level 3. So how I did to unlock it was I went to this place called special. When I reached there, when I reached that place, I just click it. I went under new card to look for it. So in my case now, since I've already claimed the card, so it's not going to be under new card again, to be under my card. I have claimed the card already, so to be under my card in my case now, but in your own case to be under new card. So now I will scroll down. This is the card now, USDC on turn. So what they needed me to do was to upgrade it to level 3. So all I need to do is to claim it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You get by tapping it 1, just like that. I have already claimed it already. 2, 3, just like that. So once you are able to claim it 3 times to level 3, you upgrade yourself to level 3. You'll be able to unlock the card. So in my case, I've already claimed it 3 times. This is even making the 5th time safe. So once you are able to claim it, you now come back to this PRT. You come back to this area again and check again. You check again, you check it. You will see that it's unlocked. You can see it is unlocked. So all you need to do is to tap it, and that's all. Do well to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because I will not be dropping you videos just like that. You get. So now you can see I've claimed today combo already. I'm in 17 million. So my new target now is 50 mil. 50 mil. You can see it here. So let's just wait now and see if there will be another combo. You can try that daily cipher that I gave to you. You can try it too by checking here. 1, 2, 3. You can try the daily cipher. Alright. Let me not make the video too long.